Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open the Theory Test app and set up your profile now. Choose the exact test category you need and enter your experience level so the app tailors questions. Once done, allow notifications to get timed practice prompts and daily reminders. Make sure to enable offline downloads if you commute or have patchy signal, because practicing anywhere keeps momentum. Finally, pick a realistic study block length, 15-30 minutes, so sessions stay focused and repeatable. This builds habit and increases retention. Start a timed mock test to simulate exam pressure. Push through a full 20-30 minute section to practice pacing and focus. After the mock, review results and switch into targeted quizzes for weak topics. Drilling specific question types accelerates correction of mistakes. Make sure to read each explanation fully. Understanding the why prevents repeat errors, and flag tricky questions for spaced repetition. Once you repeat flagged items across sessions, your accuracy will rise and confidence will follow. Run a full mock under the same conditions as test day, same time limit, minimal interruptions to confirm readiness. This verifies timing and endurance. Then skim high-yield summary lists and your flagged questions for a final consolidation. Short targeted review beats cramming because it reduces anxiety. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, confirm you have the latest update, and re-log in. These steps fix most issues quickly. If problems persist, contact support with screenshots and exact error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.